I don't feel like running. Do you want to take a walk instead? I can also discuss prescriptive analytics while we're walking. Today, we're moving from prediction to action as we dive into prescriptive analytics. If predictive analytics is all about answering the question, what might happen next, then prescriptive analytics takes it a step further by asking, what should we do about it? Think of it like this. Once you know what the future might look like, prescriptive analytics helps you figure out the best course of action to achieve the desired outcome. It not only provides recommendations, but also weighs the potential outcomes of each decision. Whether it's adjusting your marketing strategy, optimizing inventory levels, or deciding how to allocate resources, prescriptive analytics is the phase where data drives decision-making. Now, how does it work? Much like predictive analytics, it leverages historical data, statistical models, and algorithms. But here's the twist. It adds optimization techniques and simulations to help evaluate the impact of different decisions before they're even made. It's like running what-if scenarios on your future choices, allowing you to make data-driven decisions with confidence. Let's take our sales data example again. With predictive analytics, you forecast next month's sales, but with prescriptive analytics, you ask, if we want to increase sales by 10%, what strategies should we implement? This type of analytics considers various factors like budget, market trends, and available resources, and recommends the best actions to achieve your target. The result? You don't just prepare for the future, you shape it. As we stroll today, think about how moving from predicting outcomes to prescribing actions can truly revolutionize decision-making. It's one thing to know what might happen, but it's another to know what to do about it. Keep walking with me, because next, we'll tie it all together and explore how analytics can continuously adapt and refine strategies for maximum impact. In prescriptive analytics, the focus shifts from just forecasting what might happen to guiding actions based on those predictions. It's not enough to simply predict future outcomes. Prescriptive analytics helps you determine the best course of action to take in light of those forecasts. The process begins with optimization and simulation. Once we've predicted potential outcomes, we use optimization techniques to explore various scenarios and identify the best decisions to achieve specific goals. For example, if predictive analytics shows an expected sales increase, prescriptive analytics can determine the best allocation of resources to maximize that increase or mitigate potential risks. Techniques like linear programming or Monte Carlo simulations are often used here to assess different strategies and their potential impact. Next comes evaluating trade-offs. Every decision carries trade-offs, whether it's balancing cost and quality, speed and accuracy, or short-term gains versus long-term sustainability. Prescriptive analytics takes these trade-offs into account, helping businesses make informed decisions that align with their overall strategy. It's about finding the optimal balance that drives the best possible outcome while managing risks. Finally, actionable recommendations are the end goal. After analyzing various scenarios and evaluating trade-offs, prescriptive analytics provides clear recommendations on what actions to take. These recommendations are backed by data and are designed to help businesses and individuals act with confidence, knowing that their decisions are informed by thorough analysis. In short, prescriptive analytics takes us beyond knowing what might happen. It guides us on what we should do next, making it a powerful tool for proactive, strategic decision-making. Now let's explore the tools that make prescriptive analytics so powerful for decision making. While predictive analytics helps forecast the future, prescriptive analytics uses those forecasts to recommend the best course of action. These tools not only suggest strategies, but also help evaluate the potential outcomes of different decisions. Optimization techniques lie at the heart of prescriptive analytics. Tools like linear programming and mixed integer programming are used to optimize decision-making by finding the best solution from a set of possible options. These techniques are widely applied in industries such as supply chain management, finance, and manufacturing to determine the most efficient use of resources. Simulation modeling allows businesses to test various scenarios and assess the impact of their decisions. Tools like Monte Carlo simulations are commonly used in prescriptive analytics to model risk and uncertainty by simulating a range of possible outcomes. This approach is particularly useful when dealing with complex, real-world decisions where variables are constantly changing. Heuristic algorithms provide a practical solution when exact optimization isn't feasible. Techniques like genetic algorithms and simulated annealing are often used to solve complex optimization problems by searching for near-optimal solutions. These methods are effective when decision-makers need fast, workable solutions, even in the face of large, complicated datasets. In more advanced use cases, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are integrated into prescriptive analytics. These systems can automatically generate actionable insights by learning from historical data and applying that knowledge to current challenges. AI-driven tools like reinforcement learning are particularly valuable when it comes to dynamically adjusting strategies based on ongoing feedback, making them useful in industries such as finance, marketing, and operations. Constraint-based optimization tools ensure that decisions adhere to specific business rules or limitations. This is especially important in fields like healthcare, where legal and ethical constraints must be considered when recommending treatment plans. Tools that handle constraint-based analysis help make sure that decisions not only optimize outcomes, but also respect the boundaries of what's permissible. Lastly, prescriptive dashboards bring it all together by providing a user-friendly interface for decision makers. Tools like IBM, Decision Optimization, and SAP Integrated Business Planning allow users to input various scenarios, see the recommended actions, and understand the trade-offs of each decision, all in real time. These dashboards simplify complex data and deliver actionable insights that are easy to interpret. By utilizing these tools, prescriptive analytics provides more than just a roadmap. It equips businesses with the strategies they need to act confidently. Whether it's optimizing resources, minimizing risks, or improving outcomes, these tools ensure that decisions are data-driven and aligned with the best possible outcomes. Following the predictive models that Alex built to forecast future sales trends, the next step is turning those predictions into actionable strategies using prescriptive analytics. With a clear picture of what might happen next, Alex is ready to answer the question, what should we do about it? First, Alex starts by optimizing resources. Alex asks GPT, if sales are expected to spike by 20% next quarter, what's the best way to allocate our marketing budget to maximize ROI? GPT uses linear programming to analyze the budget and suggests, to achieve the highest return, allocate 40% of your budget to digital marketing and 30% to in-store promotions, with the remaining 30% spread across other channels. This helps Alex make data-backed decisions on resource allocation. Next, Alex simulates potential outcomes. With various strategies in mind, Alex asks GPT, "Can you run a simulation to compare different marketing approaches for the next quarter?" GPT uses Monte Carlo simulation to test multiple scenarios, revealing that a focus on digital marketing provides the highest probability of reaching the sales target, while in-store promotions offer a lower but more consistent return. This insight enables Alex to weigh the risks and rewards of different strategies. Now that Alex has a clear plan, the next step is to evaluate trade-offs. Alex asks GPT, "If we focus more on digital marketing, will there be a trade-off with customer engagement in physical stores?" GPT analyzes the data using constraint-based optimization, providing results like, by reducing in-store promotions, you might see a 10% decrease in foot traffic, but overall, sales will still increase by 15% due to the higher digital ROI. This gives Alex the confidence to prioritize digital marketing while balancing the impact on in-store customer engagement. Finally, Alex looks for AI-driven recommendations to refine the strategy. Alex asks GPT, "Can you suggest adjustments to maximize sales without increasing costs?" GPT uses reinforcement learning to continually adjust the marketing strategy based on ongoing feedback, offering recommendations such as increase social media ad spend by 10% and reduce print media to optimize your budget without additional costs. These AI-driven insights allow Alex to fine-tune the strategy in real time. By leveraging prescriptive analytics, Alex isn't just predicting outcomes. Now, Alex can confidently decide the best course of action based on data-driven insights. This ability to evaluate different options, simulate outcomes, and make informed decisions helps the company stay agile, maximizing both profits and customer satisfaction. With these tools, Alex has moved from simply understanding the past and predicting the future to actively shaping business strategies for optimal results. By evaluating trade-offs, optimizing resources, and simulating outcomes, we're able to make confident, data-driven decisions that shape the future rather than just reacting to it. This stage allows us to turn forecasts into real-world strategies, driving impactful results by leveraging the best possible decisions. Whether it's optimizing marketing efforts, managing inventory, or making long-term strategic choices, Prescriptive Analytics provides the roadmap for success. Now that we've completed the phases of analytics, I think we've had enough walking for a while. In the next episode, let's put everything together and dive into some actual analytics using Kaggle cases. We'll take everything we've learned and apply it to real-world data sets, showing you how these phases work in practice. To help you explore prescriptive analytics further, I've included sample prompts in the description below. These prompts will guide you through various decision-making scenarios, helping you make the most of your data insights. Thank you for walking with me today. Join me next time as we tackle some real-world cases. Until then.